What's going on, everybody? James Collins here, CPWE AI. That specific right there was for Greg Hyatt over at BigXMedia. Shout out to Greg. He does awesome work. Always has. Always been my go to for website administration for my own work. And I have been referring as many customers as I can his way that is needed. Um, there's been multiple different examples that has come up so far, but the primary customer here, what I've seen is somebody who has a website maybe built by a friend or family, and it just isn't up to par. It doesn't have everything that it needs to have, and therefore you're not ranking in the Google searches. And now there's a new thing that's been added on top of this other thing. And now, if you don't have your website ready for artificial intelligence, then now you're even going to rank lower. So, we're trying to get people out front here with your websites, your ranking, and keeping your customer leads, specifically your leads. Those can drop dramatically as newer types of businesses arise here. So we're just preparing you for this future wave of artificial intelligence. I've already got out front. I've made all the tools. I've made an easy button. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen if I can figure out how. Okay. Hopefully this is clear. It appears to be. So what I have here is the preview of cpwe.ai. This is my website. What we're talking about here is AEO. AEO is Ask Engine Optimization. Basically, AI needs to find your website. That's all this is. I've put easy buttons everywhere so you can't hardly get lost and not find your way back. If you were to click on join our webinar, what it would have done is it would have brought you here and said, hey, we have a webinar going on tonight. That is what's going on right now. I have closed my window out, guys. Give me just 2 seconds. Buy our tools. I keep talking about all of these awesome AI tools for $29 a month. I mean, scroll down through here and read up on these tools. This super agent, that's agentic AI. White label, I give you the ability to take my tools and use them as your own. That means you can put good data in these tools. AI personalities, you're looking at ChatGPT's highest subscription here, guys and girls. So I've just made apps and made them easy for you to use like this so you can build your academy or your training program for your employees or whatever. Document Wizard to make your SOPs or export out endless amounts of things from books to you name it. AI videos, knowledge base, just read through these. Logo creator, really good. Um, I've never seen a tool that just works as good as these tools do. Precision image model. If you're trying to make avatars and do voiceover, faceless video, you don't even know where to start, maybe, but you have good ideas. Well, you can buy your domain right here. I host up to 3 websites for you on my server. I give you 5 terabytes of space to bring in products and sell or put in your documents. There's no limitation there. I give you the ability to get a business phone so you don't have to use your personal cell phone to start this business. From anything to now brand your business, from writing your website data to give to your website administrator Magic Hooks will do that. Blogs Manager for blogs, SEO, AEO stuff. E-commerce to write product descriptions and invoice generators. So you can easily do CRM work in here. That means that if you have all of your data in your cell phone and you send, emails to your employees throughout the day, and that's as much data handling as you have on your communication side. Well, this starts 10xing your ability to talk to each other. Building your own home pages. So if you want to launch somebody else's website, or if you want to make a business out of this and you don't even know where to start, if you're a roofer and you want to become a home inspector, there's so many different things. But if you will hit our contact us on this website, the cpwe.ai website, if you'll do contact us and send me your website, what I'll do is I'll use this tool right here to create a proposal. It'll go out and search your website and tell you what all needs to be done to bring your content and optimize all the words on it so you're able to start ranking in Google. Like I said, just come through and read all these tools. There's so many of them, like 70 tools already, and it's just keeping on going and keeping on going. Conversational images is where if you make an image and it's just not what you want, you could tell it and you could start having a conversation to where it now will use the same image and give you edits to that same image. Deep research is GPT. You open it up, it looks just like ChatGPT. It is the deep research window. UGC videos, just so much stuff here. Here's one I just released, a diet guide. I've compiled keto diet cookbooks and you name it. If you have diet questions, this diet guide can answer it. If you want a meal planner, if you want a health and fitness coach, all of that's is available in this diet guide, and it's super simple. Marketing mastermind the same way. Hey, where am I at? What do I need to do with my business to go one step further? Marketing mastermind is going to help you out with branding. If you need to schedule a call, just simply click schedule a call. So now what you have is the ability to just pick your time right here on my calendar. Or right here, you can put in your website URL. So just keep that in mind. You have that ability. And login. This is for the people who have joined and now you're like, what do these tools even look like? I just logged in, so you're looking at these tools, which you'll look like when you log in. Super Agent right here. Image and video apps. There are quite a few in here. I would say if you're just wanting to make some images, you got the grandkids around and they want to make their favorite mix of Spider-Man and Superman, just do hero images. Any kind of creative photos like that. If you want hyper realistic, something like I had to create a hyper realistic image of a machine shop this week for a website I was doing. It was perfect, just like the machine shop. There's your logo creator in this folder. Precision image models in this folder. This is to upload a bunch of images and it will make a 3D rendering of your face, essentially. AEO funnels. This is the mega power. You build websites in a minute with this. And you have full automation with your CRM right here with your website. So anytime somebody clicks on a form, it automatically goes into easy CRM. Community. This is for any users of my tools. You have the ability to talk and you're right straight to me. You have my phone number. You have Chris's phone number, or at least a support email and phone number that you can get us at sometimes. But most definitely you will catch us if you have an issue. Put it in the community. Let's talk about it. There's your vault, emails, so you can do you can set up your Google account to be the sending email. And instead of sending it from john@tireshop.com, now you're sending it from support@tireshop.com. Does that make sense? You can make a pseudo name for your email and send it through here and blast out multiple emails. Business phones the same way. You don't have to give out your cell phone. Now you can have a business phone, a VoIP phone. Blogs manager, all your blogs that you write go straight into here. They connect straight into your website. Affiliate links, you make money on this. There's a proposal generator, an invoice generator. Alt text, that's what you put on pictures on your website. Hybrid web page, this is so you don't know what to write on a web page. You just simply put in your information, and this gives you a whole web page worth of data. AEO Academy is where Darsh here, he teaches on these tools and what they do. Darsh is amazing. Live training, you have multiple different, you saw up here, I have live training every night, every Friday night on these tools. I try to go through some of them. Lead flow, you already have leads. If you want to do a business website, just click on these and you can get either a funnel or a website built for you really quickly. Custom terms and conditions. If you're building websites, you know you don't have terms and conditions on there or privacy policy. So you got both of those in here. Tools to create those. AEO content generators. These are powerful tools right here. All of these pages are website pages right here, from your blog page, homepage, services, and contact us. This content optimizer humanizes all of your pages, schema markup. You want to do that for every single page. Keyword generator, it's exactly what you would pay $70 for, but it's right here and it's still in the $29 a month plan. So VSL movie script creator, that's really neat because you can have it write you a script, go up here to your video maker, open up either one of these right here. I'll do AI videos. You can go to text, just type, paste in that text from that thing that your VSL creator just made, and do create video, and you've just made it yourself your first video. So if it could get any easier, I don't know how easier it could get. I guess let's just show you how that works. So VSL script creator. Notice this looks like ChatGPT. So this is what Chris and I did for John's Fix It Auto Mechanic. So basically, we're going to pick any subject. We're making this up. You are an expert lawyer. How about that? Looking to create a marketing campaign. Our name is John's Law, and contact is support at johnslaw.com. We specialize in custody. Export a 50-second video script. Remove narrator and scene references. reason why I did that is because where it said narrator, let it finish doing its thing. Where it said narrator voiceover, if I put that text in, it's going to say narrator voiceover. Don't face this challenging time alone. Let John's Law stand by your side. Whatever. We don't want it to say ending scene. The concerned parent from the beginning now smiling and walking hand in hand with their child. You don't want it to say that. So I had it remove those. That's the reason why this one don't have it. So this is going to be a 30-second. I'm just going to simply copy it. You can always click on the logo, to bring you back. We're going to image and video apps, AI videos. Now here, simply go to text. Here, paste in the text you just created. You can click on this advanced settings button to go in a little bit further. You can put your logo. You can do photorealism, or you can do ads, graphic like scroll stopping ads. We can do tons of voices. Let's try Drew. So Drew will work. There's tons of others. Just so there's multiple voices, but for a lawyer, I was assuming it was a male lawyer at that point. We will do. Sometimes you just have to take it and do hip hop. Let's see. Let's do 10 slides. Estimated duration 50 seconds. So that'd make them 5 seconds a slide. Scroll up here now and just click on the big blue button, create AI video. What that should do, it says 7 minutes. It'll probably take about 2.5 minutes. That's where we had been looking for mobile mechanics. Farm truck down was one of the videos. Oop. I was going to see if I was live on Facebook. That's what I was doing while that's created. Says I'm live. Where are you guys, man? I don't see anybody here. Yeah. Okay. Well, I never claimed to be that popular. But you'll show up eventually when you see what I got here. After it clicks and you guys understand what I've done, I might be from a small town, and I might not have all the credibility of somebody from New York, but I'm a computer programmer all the same, and I've made some really cool tools. If you go looking out there, you're going to hear names of tools, and then you can compare mine to any of them. I promise you. I haven't found one yet that we're not right there with, cutting state of the art, and plus all the extras that you get. It does matter. It matters a lot when you have your agent able to use your tools and it's trained on your stuff. It's the reason why so many of you keep the Chat GPT license, because you've been training this GPT your way with your data. I've already done that, and I've already connected everything up. So the ability, if you've trained your Chat GPT and you need that ability that it's been doing for you, and that being on our system, I can do that really quickly for you. So that's just something think about when it comes to connecting up the AI that you have been training. It's one thing to have it in ChatGPT, it's a whole other to have it on your website or have it in a server that's cyber secured. I was a cybersecurity agent for over 10 years. So basically, what I've done is done all the hard work for you already. So there's our video created. Let's check out uh, John Law. Okay. Well, that wasn't terrible, was it? That's what I want to get at is these tools are really good. And I know you probably saw how quick that was. And um, it's just so fast that you just can't even put words to how good these tools are, guys and girls. I want you all to know that these are the best out there. So you're in the front group here. You're on the A team, if there is such a thing, is what I like to say. And with that, also wrote a book. It's a short book. It's supposed to be under an hour. Everything can be done in under an hour. That's the promise. That's the offer. So check that book out. It's pretty good. It's on Amazon. If you're watching this later, let's see. I see three people over here on YouTube. Maybe maybe something good's going on. I couldn't tell you. I saw where there were people here. I wonder, somebody get the word to me if you can't somehow, for some reason, if you cannot do commenting on these videos. So, anyways, I would love to chat with you and kind of see where you're at. Hope hope you have a great rest of your evening. It's my birthday, so I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. This is Greg, Big X Media. And I'm James Collins.